Let me welcome you to Bangkok, Thailand. It's where I'm sitting right now, parked alongside the road. I've been riding this Harley Davidson Pan America all across Thailand for about 3 weeks now, and it is an absolutely beautiful country to explore. And my plan was originally to ride all the way down to Singapore, and really I wanted to hit Vietnam, but Cambodia was under war and I couldn't get across that border. So Malaysia was off, Cambodia was off, Vietnam was off. I couldn't get outside the country on this motorcycle. I thought maybe I could go up through Laos, which has some very difficult roads, but they told me that Vietnam will not allow a Thai motorcycle to be imported into their country. So even if I made it to the Thai border through Laos, I couldn't get in. But I could not stomach being all the way over here in Asia and not seeing Vietnam. So last night I rode back up to Bangkok, some horrible traffic, lane splitting all the way in, grabbed a hotel, booked a flight. And today I'm jumping a plane, flying to Vietnam. I'm gonna pick up another motorcycle there and we're gonna ride the damn country. And I'm taking you all along with me the entire way. Let's go see what Vietnam has to offer. And we are on the showroom. And not quite the allocation of motorcycles we have back in the States, but still a pretty good selection. They've got pretty much one of almost every model. Okay, there are the keys.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was an excellent ride. Thanks for the taxi, man. All right, guys, we are headed to the airport. Gonna make our way to Vietnam. Here we go. Our plane right there, Vietnam Airlines. It is about an hour and a half flight, about 2 hour flight over into Hanoi, I think is how you pronounce it. I don't know. First time in Vietnam. We'll see what it's all about together here. Okay, y'all, welcome to Hanoi, Vietnam. I just got a taxi right outside the airport. It was super fast to grab. The customs was a little bit much, but we got it. Here we go. Now we need to go find a motorcycle. And we have made it to Harley Davidson of Hanoi, Vietnam. Gonna grab a bike in here. We're gonna do some riding. Well, we got to the dealership a little bit after they closed, but you stuck around to make sure I could get out of here on a motorcycle, so thank you for that. And here is what we've got, a brand new, beautiful Street Glide. I love this gray color. This is gonna be a much different bike than the Pan America I rode all across Thailand. Now I'm gonna be cruising on a full-blown bagger right here in Vietnam, and I've got some really cool roads picked out to share with you guys across this country. So I'm as excited. I hope you guys are excited at home. I'm gonna go find a hotel and get a shower, but let's get one more shout out for the Hanoi Harley Davidson dealership, man. Thank you for helping me out, man. I appreciate it. We are back on a big bike, and we're just gonna take it easy here and get used to it. We're back on the right side of the road here, which is the interesting thing. So we went from the left side of the road in the last place to the right side of the road here, and at this point, go ahead, buddy. I just want to get to my hotel and get settled in because I'm tired and I've been rushing because I wanted to get here. I knew they were closing, and this is all new to me, and it's night, and I'm in a new country I've never been in before, and I got to reacclimate to the right side of the road. There's just a lot going on, but I'm going to bring you to my hotel. I'll show you guys what I got for a hotel, show you what I paid for it, and then we'll wrap the video. I was originally going to wrap it at the dealership, but I thought you guys might want to see a little bit of the action. Ooh, that's my horn. So here's something pretty interesting. A lot of the roads here are no motorcycle. So like, I guess we can't ride on the highways. And even this is cars only lane. This is motorcycles allowed lane. So motorcycles are not allowed over there. They're only allowed over here, which is interesting. I don't think I've ever been anywhere before where they don't allow motorcycles in so many places. In Thailand, they did not allow motorcycles on the tollways, but that was it. Everything other than tollways, they were welcome. Apparently Vietnam, much different. More hectic over here. I got about 3 miles of 3 miles of braking before I got into this thick stuff. Come on, you can come. And now we are just cutting each other off and doing the deal, I guess. This is very chaotic. There does not seem to be any type of rhyme or reason to the riding. Whoa. This will give you a bit of anxiety right out of the gates. I mean, we are just squeezing in between things here. I said I wanted to relax and not get anything too hectic to start, and here I am. I am in the middle of it. Although I think I'm close. It wants me to go straight, I guess. What do we got going on here? Whew. This is quite the experience already. We got it. I mean, it's good, but man, thrown right into the lion's den here. I guess we go right here. Left here. $200 meters, turn right. Whew. Getting it done. This is awesome. I mean, you want to experience the world, right? You want to see the culture and experience it. You got to be willing to just throw yourself in and adapt. And this is what we're doing right now. Throwing ourselves in and adapting. Okay, our hotel is supposed to be right up here somewhere. Says it's right up here on the left. Let's see. All right, let me find this hotel. Okay, this is our room. This is a historic hotel right on the street. You last saw me filming, and it's pretty nice. Looks good. Customer service was absolutely phenomenal. And this room cost me $42 in the heart of downtown. Not bad. Great location. Beautiful old historic hotel. Okay, now I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna get a shower. I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna settle into Vietnam. I have no idea what's ahead of me, but we are gonna find out together.